Hey guys, this is the Sapo Vitamin C Serum with hyaluronic acid. I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. You know, it's a brand new product to me. We're going to try it out together. I do like the packaging. It looks really nice. I want to show you, let's look together what the consistency looks like. It is a serum, so I'm expecting it to be thin. Yeah, it's like what you would expect a serum to be. It is a really pretty color. Let me put it on and let's see what it feels like when it goes on. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you the very first thing I notice, and this may or may not bother you, but as soon as I start putting it on, I feel like I walked into a grove of fresh oranges. Yep, it feels like a fresh, like I just cut open fresh oranges. Of course, we get a lot of vitamin C from oranges, but that was not what I was expecting when I opened that up and put it on. It does feel like your typical serum, maybe a little lighter weight than what I would think of as a typical serum. It does feel very hydrating when it goes on. I like that it has hyaluronic acid because I know that that is also good for my skin. I'm going to let you look close up so you can see how it absorbed. Again, this is Sapo Vitamin C Serum with hyaluronic acid. If you're looking for a new serum, this is one to consider.